Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items on LoverFellas server. First, you will need to find the designated player shop areas. Many servers have specific zones for player-run shops, often with dozens of plots available for rent or purchase. Once there, acquire a shop plot or a special chest to set up your inventory. Make sure you understand the server's unique trading commands and rules, as these are crucial for successful and fair transactions. Now, let's talk about smart pricing. It is essential to research the current market value of items similar to yours. Check other player shops or the server's auction house to see what prices are common. Factor in the item's rarity, how much demand there is, and what it cost you to acquire. Aim for competitive prices. Sometimes, selling for a slightly lower price can lead to many more sales. Getting noticed is key to selling more. Use the server's global chat channels to announce your shop's location and highlight some of your best items. Craft clear, eye-catching signs for your physical shop, perhaps using colorful blocks or unique designs to stand out among dozens of others. Consider offering occasional discounts, like 20% off, or creating special bundles to attract new customers and boost sales. Finally, ensuring safe transactions is paramount. Always confirm that the buyer's payment has been fully received before you release any items. Utilize the server's secure trading plugins or designated shop systems, which are designed to prevent fraud. If you encounter any suspicious activity, like someone trying to trick you with a fake payment or an attempted scam, report it immediately to the server staff for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.